Alright. Oh, hello. This is Robson in the morning. He's just learning to feed himself. There's your spoon. Good job, little guy. Good job. Has to be something that sticks to the spoon because he turns the spoon upside down before he puts it in his mouth. Very good. Want me to fill it up for you? Mmm. Exciting. Good job, little guy. What a smart little baby. Thank you. Oh, it's a joke. I don't have it back now. Uh-oh, spoon overboard. Robson, can you clap? You remember how to clap? I can't do it. I'll shake the camera. Steven?
What's up, dude?
Yay, Robson! Yay, Robson! Yay, Robson!
Hey, dude.
What a smart little guy. What about wave bye-bye? That one's not on command quite as well.
Huh? What's up? Yeah.
Are you clapping because Daddy's making theatrics over there? Huh? Hang on, we'll get you some cheese over here. Trying to cut the cheese with my left hand over here. Ah. What a smart clapping baby. There's some cheese. Oh, nice burp.